Curious about the tools that are reshaping our digital world? Are you looking for how to cut those costs while getting great AI services? Today, we're uncovering 5 sensational AI alternatives that are more than just tech. Number 1, Midjourney to Idiogram. Midjourney, crafted by the innovative minds at Midjourney Incorporated, crafts images from words, translating your thoughts into visual art, akin to the marvels of DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. But hey, it's not free. $10 for the basics and $60 for those who crave more. Now, Idiogram, it's free. It crafts images, adding a sprinkle of text magic, making it a step above its peers when it comes to blending words and pictures. Request a car for sale billboard and watch it paint it almost to the letter, offering a breath of fresh air from the slightly tangled creations of its counterparts. Idiogram excels in transforming text into vibrant logos, memes, and posters with unmatched accuracy and attention to detail, offering a unique communal artistic experience. Its user-friendly interface lets you easily create and share your masterpieces, featuring precise typography, a capability unparalleled by competitors like Midjourney. Plus, remixing to your heart's content is always an option. Jumping into the Idiogram world is simple, web-based, and devoid of third-party hassles. It gives you the freedom to choose your canvas, be it landscape or portrait, ensuring your creations are just as you envisioned. But remember, it's in beta, so grab your chance to create unlimited visual wonders while you can. Number 2, Canva to Adobe Firefly. Canva, a user-friendly online design platform, makes crafting stunning visual content a breeze, even for the design novices among us. Whether you're crafting social media posts, posters, or presentations, Canva's intuitive tools and vast template library empower you to elevate your creative game, no design degree required. It's especially cherished by small businesses, teachers, and individual users for its ease and accessibility. Plus, Canva Pro offers even more design goodies for those looking to upgrade their experience. Adobe Firefly stands out, offering versatile features like generative fill, text-to-image, and cool text effects, all accessible via its website or Photoshop. It's not just about creating images. It's about exploring limitless possibilities in design, editing, and management across various Adobe workflows. Want to customize your creations? Firefly's user-friendly interface lets you tweak aspect ratios, effects, colors, and lighting on the go, giving you the freedom to experiment and see your creations in different lights. And guess what? It even works wonders on emojis, turning ordinary unicorns and stars into extraordinary masterpieces. Adobe Firefly is pushing boundaries, developing features unseen in other AI image generators. Ever thought about recoloring vectors with a simple text prompt? Firefly makes it a reality. Create vectors from text for high-quality designs without bulking up your files. And yes, it even allows you to create custom brushes and templates, all tailored to your needs. Number 3, ChatGPT 4 to Claude. ChatGPT 4, developed by OpenAI, is like a knowledgeable buddy, offering insights and conversing naturally. It breaks barriers in AI interaction, providing high-quality responses that are 82% safer and 40% more accurate than its predecessor. However, it might have biases. Specializing in one task at a time, it costs around $20 a month, offering premium AI interaction for those seeking advanced conversation and information. On the flip side, Claude, powered by Anthropic's LLM, is the economical, safety-first alternative. It generates legal, harmless outputs, offering flexibility and collaboration. It's a powerhouse, capable of summarizing, searching, writing creatively, answering queries, and even coding. If you're dealing with extensive information, Claude is your go-to, analyzing up to 75,000 words, a whopping 10 times more than ChatGPT can handle. Claude is the friendly neighborhood bot, offering free services at claude.ai, understanding and acting on any text or file you feed it. It's the preferred choice for data-related tasks requiring technical context understanding and optimized code generation. Claude is your productivity partner in the digital world. It effortlessly summarizes cluttered meeting notes and lengthy Slack threads, adding value and clarity to your conversations. It transforms chaotic information into organized, easy-to-read tables and generates concise outlines from any content you provide, making your life simpler and more efficient. Number 4, Clarify PDF to Chat PDF. Clarify PDF allows users to ask up to 100 questions from uploaded PDFs, offering an easy, one-time payment of $1.99 per PDF without any recurring fees or signups. Ideal for individual or organizational use, it turns complex PDFs into clear, actionable insights, aiding research, understanding current issues, and referencing manuals swiftly and accurately. If you're looking for a free option, ChatPDF has got you covered. By uploading your PDF, you'll receive an AI-generated summary and suggestions for deeper understanding. ChatPDF enables interactive learning, allowing users to ask anything about the uploaded file. It even cites references, ensuring you know the origin of the information. Although it offers a free plan, upgrading to ChatPDF Plus for $5 a month lets you upload more extensive PDFs and ask up to 1,000 questions, making it a versatile tool for those who wish to explore documents in depth. ChatPDF excels with its user-friendly multilingual features and translations, offering inclusive access to information for individuals with disabilities. However, it doesn't interpret images or scanned text and may have difficulties with text in tables. Despite these, its rapid analysis of extensive documents is a valuable time saver for businesses, researchers, and students. While both tools promise efficiency, ChatPDF excels in security and privacy, ensuring user data is protected, making it a trustworthy companion for professionals and students. Number 5. 10Web to Framer. 10Web, an AI-powered WordPress builder, transforms website creation into a walk in the park. Say goodbye to technical roadblocks and say hello to crafting your website with a few clicks. Just by answering some questions, you get a fully functional WordPress website that's unique to your brand. Although it's a paid platform starting at $10 a month, the perks are worth every penny. You can even recreate your favorite web pages, bringing the essence of websites you admire into your own. If you're budget conscious, Framer is a splendid free alternative. It's not just a tool, it's your companion to bring interactive UI and UX designs to life. Create and ship engaging sites in no time, without a drop of code. Framer's AI designs websites from text prompts, letting you play around with themes, images, and animations to ensure a memorable user experience. Change colors, fonts, layouts, add your special touch, and voila, your site is ready to rock. With Framer, not only do you get to design, but also host your creations, manage SEO pages, and track changes, offering a holistic approach to web design. It empowers everyone, from beginners to pros, to design and launch websites efficiently. It's all about empowering you to establish your online presence swiftly, without needing a team or coding knowledge. There you go, 5 fantastic alternative AI tools reshaping the digital landscape. If you enjoyed this discovery of AI gems, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.